Hello student, welcome to our channel. Today I explain you how to download and install Turbo C++ and how to run first program in Turbo C++. So I explain this process. So first you can go your browser and directly write here Turbo C++ download. You can write this and it can be showing first URL. So click this first URL. You can click this. If you clicking, then it can be showing here download Turbo C++. So you can click this. If you're clicking it, it can be your downloading is started after some time. So my download is completed and these download is a zip format. So first you unzip it. So you can go your download folder where it can be downloaded and right click it and extract here or extract file. So I write extract here. If you clicking this extract here, one folder is created as related to Turbo C 3.2. So 3.2 is the latest version of Turbo C++. Then you can go within this folder, and in this folder here multiple subfolder also and sub file. So one file is a setup file. So you can double click this setup file or right click, then you can run it as an administrator or you can double click it. So if I clicking it, then prepare to install, then it after that it can be showing as a welcome to install Turbo C++. Then you can click next. So each time you can perform next operation. First it can be showing as a you can tick this license agreement. So you click this and after that you click this next button, then install, and permission it can be accessing. So you can click this yes option. Then at the last, when your Turbo is completely installed, properly installed, then it can be showing as a launch the program, and if you launch it, then your main window for related to Turbo C++ is open. So if I clicking this finish, then the Turbo C++ window is open. Now I start the Turbo C++, or you can go, if it's not showing, then you can go your search menu and here you write Turbo C++. So now I click this button, then our Turbo C++ structure is open. Main body is open. Now first you can create new file. So I write here file, then you can go this new. So it is a new file. That time it can be saved as a .cpp, but we will create here as a C program. So I save it .c. So again I go here file, then save, and here we write as a first .c, then okay, yes also. So my file name is first.c. So now I creating the first program for C language. So now I write here first header file has include studio.h. So this is the first header file that can be represented as a standard input output. Within this header file, our standard input output is a printf function. If you're using scanf function, you can use that time you can use this header file. If you not writing this header file and you use printf as scanf function, then it's showing as an error, because printf and scanf function all property defined within this studio.h. Now I write here second header file include conio.h. This is the console input output. Within this it can be represented as a getch clear screen type of function. So now I write here int main function, body can be start, and first we can write here clear screen. These function predefined in console conio.h. So it can be clear each time your output screen. Now I write here printf by printing here and after that you can write terminator symbol is semicolon, and here we can write getch for holding output screen, and then we can write here return 0. I write here int main, so it is mandatory to write here as a return 0. Now I save it. Then first you compile it. So go compile. You can use as a shortcut key Alt plus F9 also. So if you compiling, then it can be showing as a warning 0 and error 0. That means our program is right. It has not any types of error or warning. Then I go here run, then control plus F9, then it can be showing as a welcome to Kailash Joshi tutorial. So it can be showing as a output result. So this is a simple program in Turbo C++ how to create related to C language. So these program is related to C language. Same you can create C++ program also here. So this is a simple program. Thank you, student.